PECC Bidet Sprayer Head Only Stainless Steel Hand by PECC is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. B07CLT7KYSMATERIAL. Stainless steel. Size. Sprayer only. Important, must be used with shut-off valve. Must cut off water supply when hose is not in use. Specifications: sprayer. Material, 304 stainless steel. Finish, brushed nickel. Package includes sprayer X1 PCS. Size. Length, 2. 75 inch, width, 0. 98 inch, height, 6. 09 inch. Package dimensions, 7. 1 by 5. 1 by 2. 8 inches. Special features. Easy to install. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Brushed nickel finish, built to resist scratches, corrosion and tarnishing. Easily rinse stool off cloth diapers. Makes laundry easier and less messy. G1 2-inch IPS coupling, straight threads, standard dimensions. Couple W standard 1-2 inches shower hose connection. Smart Refresh handheld spray head only, excludes T-valve, bidet hose, and holder wall mount. Use: toilet, bathroom, kitchen, outdoor, garden, PECC.